Hello! What we are going to make today is cabbage some rice. Cabbage is ranked among the most 3 healthiest foods and it's definitely very good for our health. Especially it has a good efficacy if you have esophagitis, gastritis or a gastric ulcer. And besides, it helps your cell regeneration so it protects you from cancer and strengthens your immune system. For that reason, people use it in many food recipes and in Korea, people love to make some rice with it. Then we can enjoy a unique juicy taste and also we can eat the cabbage a lot. I prepared this recipe hoping you will have a healthy day with a healthy food. So when you feel have a bad stomach ache or want to have some healthy food, then please try this. Furthermore, it's unbelievably easy and delicious. Now let's get started. Please remove the cabbage's first or second leaves because it's probably not clean enough to eat. And separate each leaf one by one. And I'm going to just leave the inside part for cooking later. Please bring a big bowl, pour water, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, soak the cleaned cabbages, and in 3 minutes, wash them in running water clearly. Steam the cabbages for 7 minutes in high heat. Turn off the stove and let it just sit 2 more minutes. Now we have the cabbage lettuce. It's very hot, so put it out carefully and let it cool down on a strainer. While waiting for it to be cooled down, we are going to make tuna Ssamjang. In a small pot, let's just put every ingredient. Mix them well and cook it while stirring until it starts boiling over low heat. So easy, right? Lastly, in a bowl, add 1 bowl of rice, sesame oil, sesame seeds, a little bit of salt, and make the seasoned rice in the shape of a rice ball. Please wrap the rice with cabbage lettuce and put on some tuna Ssamjang. It's done. Thank you for watching and have a good day. See you next week. Bye.